Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've just got my breakfast for this morning. So what do I have? So we've got 2 mochas. So I'm going to put them down here, guys, just so they don't spill everywhere. And then 4 vegan sausage rolls. Let me just bring this down here. 4 vegan sausage rolls. Then you've got a omelette baguette that's got brown sauce in there. You've got another omelette baguette with ketchup. And then we've got 2 triple chocolate muffins. And that's for my breakfast today, guys. So let's start eating, shall we? What shall we eat first? I think I'm going to have one of the baguettes first, one of the omelette baguettes. Nice. I love their omelette baguettes, they're lovely. Which is good. There we go. That's one baguette done. It's nice. Right. Vegan sausage roll. These are lovely, these. We'll have another one, another vegan sausage roll. Okay, so we've eaten 2 vegan sausage rolls. We've eaten 1 omelette baguette with brown sauce in it. and one of the mockers has gone, okay? That was lovely. Really nice. Right, let's have a third one of these vegans. Vegan sausage roll. So guys, as you know, I like Greggs a lot. So what is your favourite thing from Greggs? I think my favourite from Greggs is, there's quite a few actually. I love their cheese salad baguettes, as you know. I like their omelette baguettes. I love their vegan sausage rolls. Their donuts, the filled donuts, so you can get the, I think my favourite ones in that is the pink frosting, the pink icing on the top. It's got jam in the middle, so I like that one. And they also do a caramel. It looks like chocolate, but it's actually caramel on the top with like chocolate, like drizzle on top. And that's got custard in the middle. They're nice. So yeah, put in the comments, guys, what your favourite thing is from Greggs and why. Let's have the other baguette now. Don't want it getting cold. Oh, lovely. Love a good cup of mocha. Good. Right. So we've eaten both the omelette baguettes now. One last vegan sausage roll. Excuse me. Right guys, I'm feeling quite full up now, so I'm going to save the triple chocolate muffins till later. Okay, so I'm going to eat them later on. Normally I eat them all in one hit guys, but this time I'm quite full from eating what I've eaten. So I've eaten 2 baguettes with omelettes in them. Excuse me. One with brown sauce, one with ketchup, 4 vegan sausage rolls, and obviously I've drunk 1 mocha. Here's the second one. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Don't forget to give my videos a like. Check out my other videos on my channel. And if you've not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button down the bottom there for me. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you very much. Speak soon.